Ka Mike.
Good morning. Hey, kausap.
Enra. Sige, yung sabi clarification tagan doon ka.
Iyo.
Aurongo din.
Bayan ramanta.
Already ko ko sorry na naman
Balaga.
din doon na.
Oy.
Din doon na candidate na.
Baka biyo, doon tayo talang nabuki matikil ko pa kay.
Sige, ni ko sabi bandonuan doon ka.
Iyo.
Kaya sinibandon nung ubo sa sanabandon niya nga anggo. Right bad gini ya.
Okay.
Sige, ni ko may bisa man nung BABU.
Iyo.
Babu da sengo ni ko babu the straight talker.
Uy.
Kindaro na straight talk ni ko rongo taga sa nakayo ko tukon na chiko. I don't agree with the policies of the multiplication of your functioning system of the gravity.
What you want to say?
Sige, Michael, ko tukon na chiko. Alam mo, mamadalabi ko.
Straight talk. Babu the straight talk.
If mamadalabi ko, you have to get your feet effect right.
Gori.
Ano? Ada ba ko kontra lagi na?
Effect.
Wala na sa. Okay, what you want to
tukon na chiko, Michael.
Yeah.
Because you saying, ko sa tukon na chiko. Barong ko pa binaka, ko sa tukon sa sole na kakana. Supermarket. Why go supermarket when I'm in the market, man?
Oi.
Come to me.
No,
nothing is so level na market.
Babu. Okay, Babu, see, the reason why I go to the supermarket because I want to buy some tin stuff. I
know, my kid.
I want to buy flour, sugar, rice.
The expectation of the inflammation of the poverty gravitation. The reason why we have a very beautiful market in the Fiji Island.
Yeah.
You know why? We have a beautiful market, but a very boy-riri toilet. Michael, nanunggu ba kasama yo? Na kakana esa text. Iyo kandina. Na nakana labongori, the matanitu sa tarangi, zaka ba nangun sala. Zaka na kani liva, zaka ba na kani wine. Di na se waray.
Saka engine ang gori, Babu.
So why you complain, Michael? You got nice road, you got Tasil. You want to go home in gravel? Napa ditunta ko mundo na. Ay, Michael, yan Allah ko to may naman. Right what gini? What else you saying sa solib? What else?
Sa saulele chuko na isaw nito matada.
Oh, acha.
The wage. Na wages sa laylay.
Michael,
na isaw ni cost of living is very high.
Already ko chiko nangonongo.
Yeah.
Already ko chiko nangonongo. Already chiko na billboard ni Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Nito Prime Minister Frank Board na Frank Benimara. Sabi buto na Frank Board. Na billboard na. Na already chiko to na sote bin na kandaro chiko ko.
Yeah.
Daro chiko PM.
PM.
Yeah.
Already chiko na no sote avoka ko kerebe ko.
Singay.
Kay blue, blue.
Kwayo salak may taka. I earn the money. I take that money and go buy the shit.
That's all right. Kay ko Prime Minister one for the day, and one day Prime Minister. How are you gonna change the Sauni Tamata? Tell me, my Kelly. If you're gonna do it right now, I'll vote for you. I'll sell my business and come and work for you.
Kwayo ruang ka na ka. Kaya kakao sa Prime Minister, Babu. Ruang ka na kakao sa nantakawa. Sauni Tamata gonna go up. The wages.
Vida.
Like minimum wage rate, put $5.
Bob, that means you want all the business to close. Michael, if I pay my boy $5 for selling watermelon and pineapple, what are you gonna make? Ben, you tell me. You tell me, Ben. Talk to me before I chew my
minimum wage. No, you asking me if I'm Prime Minister for one day. What I'm gonna do is minimum wage rate. I'm gonna give $5.
But Michael, I tell you, I ask you back.
I don't worry how much you gonna make. I don't worry how much you gonna take home. Minimum wage rate $5. That's first.
Tumanakato kamana business ingori.
But again, the cost of living sa lako pagandoira. Some of the basic food items VAT free.
But Michael, the government need the matanitu need the money to make everything. Make the breeds, make the gunsala.
Yeah.
Right, what gine?
Dina.
Go somebody kira chukumento na minista.
Minister of Fiji Vespati.
Fiji Fest. But anyway, Michael, yana so nakakla na. Na nung makasama ko, na nung makasama yun, si Madala makasama yung tamatango. What do you think? I read back, go, no, baka ko leader of opposition. Right back gini. But yeah, Michael, yana so na duin ni makasama.
Yeah.
Right back gini.
So if you are Prime Minister for one day, what are you going to do?
Michael, right now I'm gonna make the... what I'm gonna make?
Prime Minister
make baby.
If you are a Prime Minister of Fiji for only one day, what are you going to do?
Michael, nakao na biya nakaba, do nakao rongo na num do talkback na singaya.
Yeah.
Na level ni ka e resource chigube kito.
Yeah.
Atama na resource.
Ne vurvur nika.
Oy, nanumo na sauce do chugo na market.
Na resources
na new.
Yeah.
Na ve matangali fruit, Michael. Do na tamato tuko na kenda lako chiko na supermarket. You can't see any local drink, right, Barkini?
Local drink.
Koi konto boli juice?
Local drink sa chiko na yangona, ningona.
Arey, that's my favorite. Don't talk about it. But Michael, you koi konto boli juice? Koi konto kuno juice? Koi ko sampo kuno banto na juice zaka ibiti? Tuko na ben?
Yo, ko sa to lang ko na makete.
Arey, that's the pekad.
Oy, pekad.
Red Barkini.
Okay. Or you mean the one in the bottle, the one in the fridge?
Bottle, say na pakete, say any kind.
Yeah.
Ya na kaya Prime Minister yung na zakaba na matagal na moli, ba di ba ito na moli ba't kina rokete?
Moli, korga.
Karosita lang.
Say nga na moli, na new chigo kenda. Na ve matanggali fruits at chingo ibiti na pineapple juice kenda roni zakaba na no you should see my pineapple pile, my Kelly.
Yeah.
I can fill 2-3 ton truck.
Sanchina.
If I make juice from that, I want to tell when I sana hochi na dingin go me lago be Prime Minister me to me kaya please me crush ta kan go pineapple.
Yeah.
Me udaka juice me bitana tabange build a supermarket.
Pineapple juice.
Just like water, my Kelly, we got Fiji water, right?
Me somandana Fiji fruit me daka me juice and then we sell it overseas.
Ya na tubo na kimay na era na lewani vanua me daka. Chico na vanua, chico na ngele. Isilbe na ka, ira makay budesa sin dueto ko nandun na ka. Right back gini, my Kelly? Na new sa chico, kaya na nito betia na new, bita na tabaya.
Iyo.
May bolitaka.
Patake na leweni new na?
Leweni new. Sa ni Angona. Ya nakaube ka Michael nakakeveti ko ya ndo nakaurong na nakango balda na numdo talk back ya kambida na sihango. Ya rongo de chiko o Mr. Rambuka la kumaini kuwa.
Mbongi ni kuwa Mr. Rambuka from the Sodelpa. Patake na BJ na rain on the street talk.
Ko oro ni tarobi ko sa naka?
Ko saro
Tarawa, makandua.
Acha right. Kaya nanggiri mai warong chiko na right bad kini. But anyway, Michael, that's politics. Na right bad kini. Don't mix politics with poultry. Pinapalip. Ngay kila ding sa lagu may gay sa ba up to the people.
Iyo. Namun dingin-dingin.
Namun dingin-dingin. Dingin nga nakay ko ba kasama na right bad. Na Michael?
Thank you very much for your time, Babu. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.
Naka! Na Babu the Meme, na makay na singa ni Mataka. Veto ko ni kay Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready?